Hi everyone. In this video, I am planning to discuss probability questions which were in 2018 and 2019 IGCSE Mathematics 4024 papers. Right, this is the October-November 2018 paper, question number 17. You will notice there are two bags, bag A and bag B, and there are white and black beads. According to the question, they say bag A contains 3 black and 2 white beads. Bag B contains 2 black and 4 white beads. A bead is chosen at random from bag A and placed in bag B. A bead is then chosen at random from bag B. They ask us to complete the tree diagram. They have given us the tree diagram, we have to complete it only. Now when you look at the first part, this is about bag A. So there are altogether 5 beads, 2 white, 3 black. So in the branch here, black, it is 3 out of 5. In the white, it's 2 out of 5. Now in the bag B, there are 6 beads altogether. But once you put a bead from the bag A in bag B, that will become 7. So that's why the denominator is 7 here. So this means you are taking a black bead from the bag A, then that is added to bag B. So there were 2 black beads, now that will become 3. So that's why it comes as 3 upon 7. Now the other one. If you still take a black bead from bag A and put it here, the number of white beads doesn't change. So that is still 4. So here that is 4 out of 7. Now we'll move to the white bead part. Now there also you have 2 possibilities, black and white. Now if you have taken a white bead from the bag A and put it here, the black beads won't change. So that is 2 out of 7. But once you take a white bead and put it over here, the number of white beads become 5. So that is going to be 5 over 7. So in this tree diagrams, there is a very important thing. That is always the probabilities in these branches add up to 1. 3, 5, 2, 5, that's 5 over 5, 1. Here also you have to consider them separately. 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7, so that is 7 over 7. By that you can check whether your probability, whether your answer is correct. B part, find the probability that a black bead is taken from bag B. A black bead is taken from bag B. So this is the bag B possibilities. So taking black is this and this. Then the parts are like this. First take a black, then again a black. So it doesn't matter what is the color you take from bag B. We consider only a black bead from bag B. The other one, white and black. So you have to multiply the 2 probabilities here. 3 over 5 into 3 over 7, and the other one is 2 over 5 into 2 over 7. We have to add those possibilities. 9 over 35 plus 4 over 35. So the answer is 13 over 35. Here the answer should be 13 over 35. Right. Now this is 2019 May-June paper 17th question. Nima has these 6 cards. Each card has a shape on it. You will notice there are circles and the triangles. She takes 2 cards at random without replacement. So that is very important. That means she doesn't put the first card back when she takes the second card out. Complete the tree diagram. So the first card, there are altogether 6 cards, 4 are circles. So that's why 4 out of 6 is here. Then there are another 2 triangular cards. So it is 2 out of 6. Now she doesn't put the first card back. That means number of cards decreased by 1. So that's why the denominator is 5 here. Now this means her first card is a circle one. Then there were 4 cards. So for the second take, there will be only 3. But the number of these cards won't change. That is 2 out of 5. In this one, this means the first card is a triangular one. Then if she takes the same card at the second time also, then this 2 become 1. So that is 1 out of 5. The number of these cards won't change. That was 4 out of 5. So check this. They add up to 1. Part B, find the probability that the shapes on Nima's 2 cards are the same. That means both circles or both triangles. Then it is 4 upon 6 into 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 6 into 1 upon 5. Then here 12 upon 30 plus 2 upon 30, which is 14 upon 30. Like they say, give your answer as a fraction. It is not compulsory to simplify, but still if you can see the numbers are simplifying, you can simplify your answer. So the answer is 7 upon 15. Next question is from 2019 October-November. 17th question. A bag contains 2 white beads and 1 black bead only. 2 beads are taken at random without replacement from the bag. Complete the tree diagram. So this is also without replacement. So in the bag there are 2 white, 1 black. Altogether there are 3 beads. So white there are 2. So that is going to be 2 out of 3. Now for the second bead we have to complete the tree diagram. That is again white and black. Now there were 3 beads. Once we take the first bead out, there will be only 2 beads because without replacement. So it is out of 2. Then if the white bead has taken out, there will be another 1 white and black won't change. In this one, if the black bead has taken, there will be no blacks. So the probability is 0. In this case, that is 2 out of 2. So you can have it as 1. Write down the probability that 2 black beads are taken. So here you will notice there is only 1 black bead. So there will be no second black bead to be taken. There's 2 black beads are taken. So straight away you can write your answer as 0, or else you can do it like this. Black, 1/3 multiplied by 0. Still the answer is 0. So the probability is 0 there. This question is from 2018 May-June paper 2. You will notice the word trigonometry is there. 12 lettered tiles spelling the word trigonometry are placed inside a bag. A tile is taken at random from the bag. Find the probability that the tile shows a letter R. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. That is important. So you know there are 12 letters and you are taking a letter R and there are 2 R's here. So if you take the letter R, that should be 2 out of 12. When they ask the answer in simplest form, that is 1 out of 6. Part B. All the tiles are placed back in the bag. That means all the 12 letters are there. A tile is then taken at random and placed on the table. A second tile is taken at random and placed to the right of the first tile. A third tile is taken at random and placed to the right of the second tile. So that means without replacement. Even though they haven't mentioned it straight away, that is without replacement. Find the probability that in the order the tiles were placed on the table, they spell get. So that means here it should be G, here E and here T. Right. So first we should find the probability of taking G. So once you look at the numbers, there's only one G. Right. So altogether 12 tiles are there. So that is 1 out of 12. Then multiplied by E. There's only one E here, but now there are only 11 cards. So that is 1 out of 11 into T. 1, 2. There are 2 T's. 2 out of 10. This is paper 2. So you can use your calculator. That is answer is 1.515 and that is a decimal number, so we better simplify this. So that is 1 upon 660. So our answer is 1 upon 660. Part C. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. All other letters are consonants. All the 12 tiles are placed back in the bag and 2 tiles are taken at random without replacement. Complete the tree diagram. Okay, now here when we take these the letters, first we should find what are the vowels here and what are the consonants. So I, O, again O, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels are there. The others are consonants. So that's why they have put 4 out of 12 here and here it is 8 out of 12. Here again without replacement. So when it comes to the second tile, 4 becomes 3 and 12 becomes 11 and this doesn't change. So this is going to be 8 upon 11. In this one, here 8. So if you take the consonant for the second time as well, this will become 9 out of 11 and this doesn't change. That is, sorry, this is 7 out of 11. This becomes 4 out of 11. Find the probability that the tiles both show vowels. So that is this and this. 4 out of 12 into 3 out of 11. Then here 1, here 3, here 1, here 1. So the answer is 1 upon 11. Part 3. Find the probability that one tile shows a vowel and one tile shows a consonant. So that is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So there are 2 possibilities, 4 out of 12 into 8 out of 11 plus 8 out of 12 into 4 out of 11. That is 32 upon 132. Again 32 upon 132, which is 64 upon 132 and 32 upon 66. That simplify further. 16 upon 33. So our final answer is 16 upon 33. Right, so that is the end of our video. So these probability questions are really easy. I hope you understood these questions well. Good luck. Thanks for watching us and please subscribe for more videos.